Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have an awesome collection of board decoration ideas specially designed to make you. Alright, everyone, let's get started with our board decoration ideas picture collection. We have gathered some amazing inspiration to make our board stand out. For our first idea, we have a rainbow theme board. It's perfect for creating a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. We can use bright construction paper to make a large rainbow shape and then add cloud shape cutouts with student names and positive messages. We use a bee theme or a greenery theme like it. We use flower, leaves, our welcome board for our class whiteboard. And now a PTM board. If you want to provide useful information, we can go with this idea. Let's create a did you know board where we share interesting facts about different subjects. We can include colorful instructions in it.